Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to claim Pokemon Go Twitch drops. Okay, now guys, first you'll have to go and open your browser. Then you should search for rewards.pokemon.com. Then it will redirect you through this page. Here you will need to log in using your Pokemon Trainer Club account and also your Twitch account. After that, you'll need to watch streams and start collecting your rewards from the streams that you watch. But keep in mind that those streams should be on Pokemon content. And these are some examples of the channels that you can actually watch on Twitch. So the more you watch on Twitch, the more you redeem on Pokemon. And if you want to see your inventory and how much rewards did you claim, simply click on view inventory and it will redirect you to another page that will show you all the claims that you have been done. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.